Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, we would like to show to you guys how to make a luxury pink website in Shopify. So, making a luxury pink website in Shopify is simpler than you think. You can easily do it by the use of the different themes available in the online store. So first, navigate into your online store. As you can see right now, we're currently in Shopify. Click under your sales channel, the online store option. By doing that, you will be redirected to the Steam page where you will be able to see the currently used theme that you have. So the default theme that new users of Shopify would typically have is the Shopify Dawn theme, as you can see, Dawn. And under here, there are actually multiple types of themes that you guys could use. Now, the type of theme that you use doesn't really matter because we would still be able to change the color to however we want it to look like. Doesn't really matter which theme you are using. So you could choose first the theme that you want. There are multiple themes available over here. Currently, this is the Shopify Dawn's theme. This is an example appearance over here. So we quick to load. While waiting, we can check out the spotlight, the refresh, and maybe this one as well, the sense, which I think would look really great if we use this one to transition it into a luxury pink color. So over here, as you can see, this is the refresh. It has really decent appearance, as you can see here, really decent looks. So you guys could use this if you want. There's also this one over here, very minimalistic style, as you can see. This could be something you would want to use as well. But we're going for luxury, so there are multiple things that we could choose for luxury. Let's try out our scents over here and see what it would look like. And these are currently free themes. There are multiple themes available. There's over 80 free and paid professionally designed themes that you guys could use and play around with. There's paid themes and they would look really great. But if you are willing, you will be able to get really amazing looking themes, but you can still perform or get the same effect with a normal free theme. And this one is what Sense would look like. So I think I'm going to use this one. We're going to click on Try Theme. So we will be using this into our online store and using it to modify our store into color pink. Now, the color scheme, or with the color pink, there are multiple types of sections. So what I would suggest that we do is that we search over here, pink color schemes, so that we have idea on the colors that we want to have or we would like to have. So maybe this one over here, as you can see, great color combinations, great color cherry, all of those things. But if you want to have like pure pink, maybe we could go with a lightish pink over here, stuff like that. So let's fix our switch over here, schemes for websites, and maybe something like this color over here. So I'll use this palette over here. Here we go. And go over here in our themes. We're going to publish our sense over here, publish, so that we could replace our currently being used theme. Click on customize. And now this is our website over here. As you can see, we have our header, our template, and footer. The header is basically like the heading section. The template is the body, and the typical text. And over here, look on the left side, you have theme settings. Simply select your theme settings, and this is where you will be able to see all the settings related to appearance of your website. Inside of this section, in the sections, you will be able to modify to a certain extent. You could modify individual colors, stuff like that, but I would prefer, or I would suggest that you do it in the theme settings, because at least there you would be able to change the entire website's settings or appearance. And if you want to do modification on specific elements, you could do that as well later on at the end of the row. So anyway, over here, you have your colors, you have our different schemes over here. We have right now there's currently 5 schemes. we could check out this scheme over here. It looks already pinkish, so we could use this as well if we want to. So as you can see, your color schemes can be applied to sections throughout your online store. So doing it here instead of manually, individually, allows us to just simply enable it later on. So let's select our scheme over here. You have the different section, you have your background. So let's say I want to have a pretty light background. So we're going to change this. So the code is FBC5B. FBC5B. FBC5BB. So let's see if it will recognize that. FBC5B8, not BB. Let's go with B8. Here we go. It will take a bit to take effect. Anyway, we have that as our background. Then we have a solid button label. Maybe let's have the solid button for this one over here, D27. So let's change this. D27 F78. F78. Then we're going to have to wait for that to take effect as well. There we go. And we also have shadow. I don't think there's a really great shadow for this, so we're going to maintain that for now. There's also solid button background, outline button, and maybe let's add another color for our outline. Maybe this one, F08D76. F08D76. There we go. So wait for it to take effect. And then we could apply it on different sections of our website. Double check, F8D76. There we go. Now what we could do is that we could go into our theme settings. I'll go back, and now that's part of our themes now. So what we want to do now is select a specific section. As you can see here, the settings will pop up. Click on schemes, color schemes, scroll down, then simply select the specific scheme that you have selected. And now we have this, as you can see here. We have our theme for this one. Let's change the theme for different section as well. It's not available for all sections, but most of it's going to be available, as you can see here. Like the header itself, it's not going to be, or there we go, it's here. Scheme 4 as well, as you can see here. And then featured products, let's change the scheme as well. There we go, as you can see. Then our email sign up, scheme for everything. Basically every section that you have, change it to scheme 4. Just like that. And when you're adding, of course, adding different sections, you're going to do the same thing. And so let's actually try to preview this. Go view. And now this is our website over here with all the pink theme or luxury pink. You could choose other types of color scheme. There's also this one. It looks really great as well. And the way you do it depends on you. You saw the settings, so you could change whichever color section that you want. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.